Right, so one of the buttons on my remote control wasn't working, and I'll take you through how I managed to get it fixed. If you do follow this fix or try and attempt this fix, then be very careful, because you may end up shorting out other parts of the remote. So just be aware that you can end up shorting it out if you're not careful. But yeah, mine's working fine now after I've done what I've done, so please stay tuned. Right, I've been having a problem with my remote, and I've took it to pieces, and what it is, the volume up button wasn't working, and as you can see now, I've put the membrane back in the right place on the board, on the PC board, and now when you press it, it should now light up, which it does. And so the volume down was working fine if I put it in the position where the volume up button was, but for some reason the volume up weren't working at all. I cleaned the pop the battery out. So what I did, I cleaned the membrane, the back of the membrane, and also cleaned the circuit board quite thoroughly, and still no joy. So what I've managed to do, I've managed to get a piece of aluminium, I believe it's aluminium tape, although I can't see aluminium working because I didn't think aluminium was conductive. But anyway, sticky back metal tape, and I've cut a piece out. That's the piece I cut out, which is very small, as you can see. And I've had to cut a really small piece out of that even. And what I've done, I've just stuck it to the back, peeled the piece of paper off the back of the tape, and stuck it to the back of the remote. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. And what I've done, as I say, I've just stuck it to the back of the button, the volume up button, and as you can see, when I now put it in place, and all you're looking for is the light to light up here, because it wasn't doing anything before, and not sure what's caused it. I have cleaned it once before and that resolved it for a bit, but yeah, so when we do this now, and that's the volume up being pressed, and yeah, so it's working. So if I just point it over there a minute, so a bit of Ghost Protocol, Mission Impossible. So, but yeah, working fine now, and I didn't think that would work because I thought that was aluminium, but how wrong am I? There you go, just a hint for you anyway, if you come across a similar issue yourself and you've got some a bit of knowledge and know-how and some metal sticky self-adhesive tape, then that hopefully will help you out as well. As you know, I couldn't turn the volume up before, but I could turn it down fine, so I'll just show you this quickly. So I'll turn it up, and up she goes, and back down she comes. So it's all working on my remote. So yeah, it's an Onkyo remote for an Onkyo receiver, and as I say, you have a similar sort of problem, and I hope that helps. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed that or got some benefit from it, and until the next one, thanks for watching. Take care.